Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS home school. This is Sonia Khanjoya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Monishi, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English language class for a student of class 2 students. And our today's topic lesson 3 RW. Look at the board my dear student. This is class 2 subject English language. Topic lesson 3 RW, lecture number 18. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. This is New Enjoying Grammar book. New Enjoying Grammar book lesson 3. Again I am saying class 2 English language revision work means RW. Lesson 3 exercise 1. This is lesson 3 exercise 1. This is our RW. Pick out the correct pronouns to complete these sentences. Pick out the correct pronouns to complete these sentences. Here are 10 sentences, 10 questions. First one is Ranu is my best friend. He, she, it is very clever. So here is the question and right side answer to the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My dear students, in your answer script, you will write only the answer. In your answer script, you will write only the answer. Okay. So I am starting. Renu is my best friend. So here answer is she. Answer is she because Ranu is a girl. Sorry, Renu is a girl. So we used here she pronoun. So used here she pronoun and our answer is she. Number 2. Mr. Ramesh is the principal of our school. He, she, it is in his office. So Mr. Ramesh is a male. Ramesh is a male. That's why we used here he. We used here he and our answer is he. Number 2, our answer is he. Then number 3, don't drink water from this well. Don't drink water from this well. He, she, it is dirty. So this is don't drink water. Water. This is not female or male words. That's why you used here it. So used here it pronoun. So our answer is it. Again I am saying don't drink water from this well. He, she, it is dirty. So our answer is it is dirty and our answer here it. Then number 4, the boy in the photograph is my brother. He, she, it is very tall. So the boy is a male. The boy is male person. That's why we used here he. We used here he and our answer is number 4 is he. So our answer number 4 is he. Then number 5, Shunil and I are neighbors. Shunil and I are neighbors. We often play together. Look at the board and listen to me carefully. Here Shunil is a third person and I is a first person. When in a sentence, third person and first person are used here, we will take only first person. We will make first person plural number. So here we is the plural number of I. So I is the first person and we is the plural number of I. So we used here we. Again I am saying Shunil and I are neighbors. We often play together. So our answer is we often play together. Number 5, we. Number 6, Guru and Shahiba are waiting at the bus stop. Guru and Shahiba are waiting at the bus stop. Here you are waiting for the bus. So first one is answer is they. So our first answer is they and next We, I, it is late. And second answer is it is late. So Guru and Sahiba, there are two persons there. So you used here they and we, I, it is late. So it means bus. It means bus. So it means bus. So we used here it. It is late again. Then so our answer is they and it. Then number 7, mother. What are you doing? Mother, what are you doing? Mother asks the question. Then what are you doing? So our answer, 7 number answer, first is you. Then next Chitra and Nina. Chitra and Nina, they, we, you are watching cartoons on TV. Chitra and Nina say that we are watching cartoons on TV. So our answer is we. So our answer is we. 7 number we. Chitra and Nina said we are watching cartoons on TV. Then number 8, Rohit, will I, you, we come to the park to play. So Rohit, will you come to the park to play? So our first answer is you. And next is Asif and Amar. Yes, we will. Asif and Amar say we. Because there are two persons and they say that we. They say that we will. Yes, we will. Our answer is we. Then number 9, Joya and I like to draw. Joya and I like to draw. So our answer is we, because we is the plural form of I and here is Joya third person and I first person. So we used here plural number of first person, plural number of first person I, and we is the plural number of I. So our answer is we. Joya and I like to draw. We use crayons. So our answer number 9 is we. Then number 10, my dog is happy. My dog is happy. So they eat, you is playing with a ball. Our answer is eat. My dog is happy. It is playing with a ball. And again I am saying the answer number 1 is she, number 2 is he, number 3 is it, number 4 is he, number 5 is we, then number 6 is they and it, number 7 is you, we, number 8 you, we, number 9 we, number 10 it. So my dear students, in your answer script you will write only this answer. Only this answer. In your answer script you will write question pattern in this pattern. And our next topic, lesson 3 exercise 2. Lesson 3 exercise number 2. Rewrite these sentences with he, she, it, we or they in the place of underlined word or words. Again I am saying rewrite these sentences with he, she, it, we or they in the place of underlined word or words. So number 1, Kate is not well. So Kate went to the doctor. So underlined word is Kate. So Kate is a girl. So used here she pronoun. And our answer is here. Answer to question number 2. Number 1, she went to the doctor. Kate went to the doctor. So in the place of Kate we use she. She went to the doctor. So our answer is she went to the doctor. Then number 2, the man is walking fast. The man is in a hurry. The man is a female. The man is a male word. So we used here he pronoun and our answer is here. He is in a hurry. In the place of man we used he pronoun. In the place of a man we used he pronoun. So answer is he is in a hurry. Then number 3, where are the birds? The birds have flown away. Where are the birds? The birds have flown away. The birds, there are many birds, so used here they pronoun. they have flown away. Our answer is here, they have flown away. In the place of the birds, we use here they pronoun. They have flown away. Then number 4, Miss Geeta is our teacher. Miss Geeta is our teacher. Miss Geeta teaches us English. So Miss Geeta is a female word. So we use here she pronoun. And our answer is here, she teaches us English. Number 4, again I am saying she teaches us English. Then number 5, Linda and I went to the library. Linda and I saw many books. Here Linda and I, Linda is third person and I is first person. So we used here I, and we is the plural number of I. So we used here I. So our answer is, we saw many books. We saw many books. Linda and I went to the library. Linda and I saw many books. So in the place of Linda and I, we used we pronoun, and our answer is here, we saw many books. Again I am saying we saw many books. Then number 6, where is Ginger the dog? Ginger is in the garden. So Ginger is the name of the dog. So in the place of Ginger, we used here it pronoun, and our answer is it is in the garden. It is in the garden. Sama and I read a book. Sama and I read a book. Sama and I like the book. Sama and I like the book. Wait, I'm saying watching the book. Here Sama and I, okay, Sama and I like the book. So here this one, okay, Sama and I like the book. So used here we pronoun. We like the book. So Sama is third person and I is first person. So we used here we pronoun. So we like the book. Our answer is we like the book. Then number 8. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. So the cat is a type of animal. So we used here is pronoun. So our answer is it is in the box. Again I am saying where is the cat? The cat is in the box. So we used here it pronoun. So it is in the box. It, dog, the cat, the dog. This is a kind of animal. So in the place of animal we use it pronoun. In the place of animal we use it pronoun. So again I am saying that in your answer script you will write only this sentence. You will write only this sentence and you will write your answer in this pattern. You will write in your answer in this pattern. So our answer is number 1 is she went to the doctor. Number 2, he is in a hurry. Number 3, they have flown away. Number 4, she teaches us English. Number 5, we saw many books. Number 6, it is in the garden. Number 7, we like the book. Number 8, it is in the box. So my dear students, this is our RW class on the topics of lesson 3, exercise 1 and exercise 2. This is our RW class. I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. Okay, see you again inshallah.